We finally made it to Milford Sound, and we're doing some walkways before our ferry tour. So this is walkway number 1, which we're just gonna walk out to a little loop where there's a little viewpoint. Lauren's taking pictures of trees back there, so I'm gonna walk down the path a little more. There's just a lot of short walkways around here that we're gonna do to kill some time and have a little bit of lunch before the ferry at 2:45. All right, a panoramic view of Milford Sound. We've started our hike up the Milford Sound Lookout, and we got a little bit more ways to go, I think.
I think this is it.
Is it? No
Yeah.
way.
Yeah.
That was so short. Turns out that was actually the viewpoint. So we're headed back down now after our short, like 5-minute walk up the hill. And we're going to have some lunch before we head over to the ferry. On the walkway to the terminal now. It's probably the quietest it's been. And then here comes a bus. Lots of buses and planes around here, unfortunately. Doing our last little walk before we board the ferry. Just out to the end of this little rocky pier. There's where all the ferry boats will take off from. Most of them have left for their cruises.
That's it.
It's got itself a fish.
Or something. It's too big.
Can't lift it.